I found the best AI tools zenye unaweza tumia create website for free. Unahitaji tu kuipea information yako na itakucreate website kama hii in 4 seconds, kama hii in 5 minutes. Na the best part ni kila mtu anaweza create hizi websites, unaweza tumia hizi tools. So wacha tuanze, but before tuanze, si vibaya ukishow some love because nime take a lot of time to create this video. So click the subscribe button and let's start. So the first AI tool tutatumia ni Focus AI website builder. Focus AI website builder, link iko kwa description. So utapata hii page, they're going to ask you to enter your email. The next page utapata ni hii page, they want you to enter what business unafanya. So personally, let me go with online store. Then online store, what kind of online store? Sports and fitness. Yeah. Then click continue. Then in this page, they're asking you personalize your website by selecting the service you wish to offer. So I want that, and then continue. Then now tell us what you want to do with your website. I want to get new customers. Continue. Now here they're asking if you have kama uko na location specific, kama uko na location. So personally I don't have, so I'm going to click on online business only. Online business only. Then they're asking for a name for your online business. So I'm going to choose Moonlight and then continue. Then they are going to ask for unique aspects. So they want 3 unique aspects. For me, I'm going to choose friendly services and feedback oriented and flexibility. Then continue. Now, how would you like your website visitors to contact you? You choose the way you want them to contact you. Then click continue. Then here they are giving you hapa wanakupea the design. Sasa wanataka style gani, design gani? Personally I like this design, but I'm going to go with, let me go with that one. Then continue. Then hapa una choose color. So I already like the color, so click continue. So the font, I'm going to go with this font. Then create my website. It only took a minute to create that website. You see? Nani hawezi create website now. So there you have it. That's your website. You have that website, and you can change it, anything. Change picture by clicking there. You can change the text by clicking there. You can just change there. You can add new images there. There you have your website. So to view your website, kila kitu iko hapo. Now that's your first website. So now you can just change everything, kila kitu. So yeah, that's how you create your website using Focus. So the next AI tool tutatumia ni Pineapple. So Pineapple AI website builder is one of my favorite. So hii nayo utaingia hapa. You're going to click on AI templates. So click hapo, then you choose your template. I love this template, so I'm going to click that. You click that, then hapa lazima choose either you want to use GPT-4, which is paid, ama wataka kutumia the free GPT 3.5. Then hapa lazima upeane details za business, then audience, your target audience, we are going to put there, And then after doing that, you're going to save and move to the next step. Hapa nataka you choose your color, your background color. I'm going to go with green. And then upper font, I'm going to go with popping, then rounded button. Then go to the next step. So we are here now. I'm going to skip this to skip. Then you have your first website. Look at that. Your website, it may take only 2 seconds. Look at that. Then what do you do? From there, you have your website. Now what do? You click there. Then you want to publish. You want to publish your website. You click publish and publish live page. Click there, publish. Remember, you can also change anything here. You can also change your text. Just type something new there. You can change everything. So you can also change the images. You can also change the images by clicking the image and then upload your new image. Yeah, check that out. Nani hawezi fanya hivyo? So ukitaka kuiona live, you click on this link. Okay, let me cancel. Click on this link. Then see your website. You may click na 2 seconds without skills. Yeah, that's how you use Pineapple to create your own website. So the next AI tool tutatumia ni layer website builder. So utafungua hii page and then you're going to click on get started. Then hapo nataka kujua the kind of business. Maybe inaweza kuwa food business. And then you're going to click next. Then here hapa nataka questions. They're going to ask you questions so that ili wa create a better website for you. So I'm going to click just build my site and then continue. Then our pedi robots. So you're going to click I'm not a robot. And then email. Now building your website. This shouldn't take. Your website has been created. View it. So there you have it. You have your website. Sasa ona, only a minute. Just check that out. Ona sasa, you have your online website, your online business in a minute. Sasa si kila mtu anaweza fanya hivyo. Kila mtu anaweza follow that steps, and kama jina yako si food, you can just change, edit, and then instead of food inaweza kuwa drinks, inaweza kuwa drinks. It doesn't have to be food. So you see, anything you want to change, you just click it and edit it, and edit, change the font, change the color, change the alignment, padding, margin, link, even you can delete it. So that's how you create layer website. So ukitaka kuenda live kwa layer website, just go here, just go there and click live and then save now. Then you are live. Your website is live. So hivyo ndivyo inakaa, bila editing, bila kuchange kila kitu, bila kuchange kitu hapo. So all you have to do is put your own details na website yako itakuwa 100% the way you want.